What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways how you can purchase XRP tokens. But before I show you how to do that, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first way, it's the Coinbase. So if you live in the United States or if you live outside and Coinbase is offered in your region, this is probably would be one of the best ways. So first, what you need to do, you need to sign up. I'm not going to go through the process, but it's simple, straight and forward. You'll have to put all the information, email, probably a phone number, verify, and etc. And then once you register, you'll go in and you'll sign in. Once you're going to sign in, you're going to be presented with this page. On the home screen, you're going to be able to see your portfolio or your balance, then your assets and many other things. And right here, you're going to have to also add credit card or bank account or something, because that's how you're going to be purchasing with dollars or with your currency. And then in here, what you just need to do, go to press on XRP, or you just go to home and search for it. Once you're going to see that, then you'll see different options here. And then we're just going to be buying. So right here, buy, sell, or convert. If you already have some kind of tokens in your wallet, what you can do, you can just press on convert and choose the token that you already have in here and then convert into XRP. But in my case, we're just going to buy. And right here, I'm just going to press on that and I'm going to choose my method of payment. I'm going to pay with a USD because this is what I have actually on my balance. Right here, you just set the max or how many tokens would you like to buy. So if you press on this, let's say we're going to buy 2 XRP and that's going to cost me $7. And then you can review the order and purchase like that, or you can do max, or you can switch them back to USD. So that's one of the ways. And then you just review your order and that's it. Once you're going to go to your assets, you're going to have right here from crypto, XRP is going to show up over here. And that's how you're going to be able to see your XRP tokens that you just purchased. And then the second way, if you don't want to use Coinbase and you just would like to use something else, you can use Bitunix. Bitunix is a great exchange that does not require KYC. However, if you would like to use your card to buy XRP, you will have to do KYC. So here's multiple ways how to do that. Let me just show you how to purchase with the card. Same thing, you'll have to sign up over here. Just go through the registration process. We're not going to go through that, and then log in. Once you log in, you press on buy crypto, third party. In here, you're going to be paying with the USD. Let's say, for example, $100. And then we're going to choose, instead of USDT, we're going to choose XRP, and it's going to show you the amount you're going to be getting and what you're going to be paying with, let's say Visa or any other options that it offer. You can even do Apple Pay and other ones. But again, like I stated, if you're going to use one of those options here, it's going to require you to do KYC, and then you just press on buy. And then another way, if you already have some kind of different cryptocurrency or somebody can send it to you, you'll have to send it to this exchange. And from here, you just have to go to spot. Right here, you change BTC to USD, you choose XRP, or you just type here XRP. Once you do that, you're going to be able to buy over here. I don't have any money on this exchange. I only have like a couple cents. So what you're going to be able to do, limit order or market order, it's gonna let you buy instantly. Set the amount, how much would you like to purchase, and then buy XRP. Once you do that, it's gonna appear in your wallet here with an exchange. Then you'll just go to your wallet, press on it, this is gonna appear, and then you're gonna go to spot account. And in here I have Trump coin, but if you would purchase XRP, they would show up over here, or you can just search for it, XRP, and your total amount would be here. And the last way, it's gonna be Changelly. I've used actually this website a while back. This is like one of my favorite. It came out like in 2014, so the site's been up there for a while. So in here, what you do, you just press on buy. Same thing, you're choosing USD or your own currency, and then what you're gonna be getting, in my case, XRP. However, if you are buying through Changelly, you'll have to provide XRP address, and I already made a video. I'm gonna leave in the description below, like best XRP wallets. What you'll have to do, you'll have to copy that XRP address and then paste it in here. And again, right here, if you're gonna choose to pay with Visa or MasterCard, you'll have to complete the KYC. So in this case, just choose the amount, how much you're going to be getting. Let's just change that to maybe 100. And then next step, right here, this is where you're going to have to copy your destination address from your wallet and then destination tag. If your wallet does not require tags, some wallets don't, you just put a check mark here and then next step, and then it's going to take you to the topper. This is where you're going to have to submit all your information, register, and that's how you're going to be able to purchase using Visa or MasterCard. And this is pretty much it. This is probably one of the easiest way how to purchase XRP tokens. And all those links, Coinbase, Bitunix, and Changelly, I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.